Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
In this session, we are going to discuss another chemical properties of diazonium salts. Already in my previous session, first two replacement reactions already completed. This is third replacement reaction. The reaction name is replacement by iodine. Actually, replacement by iodine reaction, generally formation of the aryl iodide. Actually, in this process, the product is aryl iodide is liberated. Aryl iodide is liberated. See carefully here. On boiling of benzene diazonium chloride, with aqueous Ki solution, potassium iodide solution, the diazo group is replaced by the hydrogen atom. The diazo group is replaced by hydrogen iodine atom. So now see here, this is a benzene diazonium chloride treated with aqueous potassium iodide solution. Now what happened here? The entire diazonium group is replaced by the iodine group, hence iodobenzene is formed. Generally this iodobenzene is commonly known as the aryl iodide because of C6H5 group is the aryl group. Additionally iodine is connected with the aryl group. That's why the replacement by iodine chemical properties is the formation of the aryl iodide. So here chlorodiazonium chloride, now here diazonium bromide, both of them is treated with potassium iodide. Finally aryl iodide is liberated. This is the replacement by the iodine. Now fourth one, see, replacement by the fluorine. Here formation of aryl fluoride. In this chemical reaction, aryl fluoride is liberated after replacement of the fluorine. Now see, this is general representation equation. ArN2X minus, it's nothing but aryl diazonium halide treated with HbF4 fluoroboric acid. This is nothing but fluoroboric acid, hence ArN2BF4 minus and additionally HCl is liberated. Here this compound name is ArN2BF4 minus. This compound name is aryl diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Aryl diazonium tetrafluoroborate is liberated. This compound, this aryl diazonium tetrafluoroborate, again under heating what happened? Aryl fluoride is liberated. ARF is nothing but aryl fluoride is liberated and additionally nitrogen gas also liberated. Finally BF3 boron trifluoride is evolved. So this is the generally formation of aryl fluoride after replacement of the fluorine group. My dear students, this is the most important reaction. Why? This reaction is called Boltzmann reaction. Which is the Boltzmann reaction, my dear students? Boltzmann reaction is nothing but replacement by the fluorine, hence aryl fluoride is liberated. This entire the chemical properties name or chemical reaction name is the Boltzmann reaction. Okay ma? Now fifth one, fifth chemical replacement reactions. So here replacement by cyano group, CN group, cyano group. This is generally formation of aryl cyanide. Ipo CN group is replaced na formation of the aryl cyanide is liberated. Here fluorine group is liberated, replaced na formation of aryl fluoride is liberated. It's clear ma? Now see here, in this replacement by the CN group, benzene diazonium chloride solution on treatment with cuprous cyanide or potassium cyanide, cuprous cyanide or potassium cyanide dissolved in the aqueous potassium cyanide. So see here once again, this is a benzene diazonium chloride solution. Its treatment with cuprous cyanide in the presence of dissolved aqueous potassium cyanide. It's nothing but CuCN and the combination of KCN, or with aqueous potassium cyanide in the presence of the copper powder to form benzonitrile. See Nana, in the replacement by cyanide group chemical properties, benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper cyanide in the presence of KCN, benzonitrile group is liberated. Benzonitrile group is liberated. After, see Nana, here the benzonitrile group again treated with water, benzoic acid is liberated. This one is treated with nickel in the presence of the reduction reaction, hence benzylamine is liberated. This is the replacement by the cyanide group. Listen very carefully. Whenever benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper cyanide in the presence of potassium cyanide, hence benzonitrile group is liberated. Additionally, nitrogen gas and potassium chloride is also liberated. Hence, the benzene nitrile group, whenever treated with water to give benzoic acid and also to reductions with hydrogen, benzylamine is liberated. This is the replacement by the cyanide group. Now, sixth replacement reaction, replacement by nitro group. The replacement by nitro group, this is nothing but formation of the nitrobenzene. Here nitrobenzene is liberated. See in the statement Nana, benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, benzene diazonium chloride treated with tetrafluoroborate on heating with aqueous solution of sodium nitrate in the presence of copper powder to form see nitrobenzene is liberated. Now see this one, benzene diazonium chloride treated with tetrafluoroborate. Now what happened Nana? Benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate is liberated. It is an intermediate product. This is again treated with sodium nitrate in the presence of copper powder. Finally, nitrobenzene, additionally nitrogen gas and sodium fluoride and boron trifluoride is liberated. In this chemical reaction formation of nitrobenzene is liberated. So here nitrobenzenes are liberated. Okay now instead of HBF4, this one benzene diazonium chloride treated with nitrous acid, hence nitrobenzene also liberated. Okay instead of HBF4 means tetrafluoroborate, you can use HNO2 nitrous acid easily to liberated of the nitrobenzene, additionally nitrogen gas and HCl. Next one seventh replacement of the aryl group. It's nothing but replacement of an aryl group. Aryl group is nothing but C6H group is replaced, hence diphenyl products are liberated. Is the most important. Diphenyl compound is a highly stable compound. Now whenever aryl group is liberated from the diazonium chloride, what happened Nana? Diphenyl compound is liberated. Diphenyl compound is the liberated. So now see here, this is benzene diazonium chloride treated with benzene diazonium chloride treated with benzene in the presence of sodium hydroxide. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, diphenyl compound C6H5 diphenyl compound is liberated. Additionally, nitrogen gas and also HCl gas is liberated. These reactions are commonly known as a Gomberg reaction. Important Nana. Two named reactions are came in this session. First one is the Boltzmann reaction. It's nothing but replacement by the fluorine. And second one is a Gomberg reaction. Gomberg reaction is nothing but preparations of the diphenyl compound with the help of the diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride with benzene in the presence of sodium hydroxide. It is a most important reaction, especially in the category of the named reaction. Gomberg reactions are most important. Why it's a most important reaction, my dear students? Here diphenyl compounds are liberated. Whenever benzene diazonium chloride treated with benzene in the presence of aqueous NaOH, hence the more stable diphenyl compounds are liberated. Additionally, nitrogen gas and HCl also liberated. This entire the reactions are commonly known as the Gomberg reactions. Okay, ma'am? Now I successfully completed the entire replacement reactions of benzene diazonium chloride. Now already I said in my previous classes, second category of chemical properties, that is called coupling reaction. That is called coupling reactions. Okay, ma'am? The second category of the chemical properties from the diazonium chloride, diazonium salts, that is reactions in which diazo group, actually this is a coupling reaction. In this reaction in which both nitrogen atom and retained and only halogen is replaced. Now we are going to discuss reactions in diazo group. Diazo group is replaced with the help of the halogen group. So the first one is coupling with phenol. First reaction, coupling reactions with phenol. Now see, benzene diazonium chloride on coupling with phenol in the presence of the hydroxide ion in a weakly alkyl medium form p-hydroxyazobenzene. It's nothing but orange dye color is liberated. Now see here, this reaction is represented with the equations. Benzene diazonium chloride, this is a benzene diazonium chloride, and treated with phenol. Coupling means combination. Coupling with phenol in the presence of OH minus base character, and ultimately finally what happened here, from the synana, from phenol, whenever coupling with benzene diazonium chloride, halogen group is replaced. Halogen group is replaced. This halogen group, and additionally from the phenyl one hydrogen group is replaced, and HCl is liberated. Finally orange color dye is liberated. This orange color dye name is p-hydroxyazobenzene. P-hydroxyazobenzene is liberated. This is a coupling with phenol reaction. Next, second one, coupling with aromatic amines. Coupling with aromatic amines. Here, benzene diazonium chloride on coupling with aniline in the presence of H plus. In the Mela equation, OH minus base but Kila equation, coupling with aromatic amines means benzene diazonium chloride on coupling with aniline in the presence of H plus ion in weakly acidic medium, finally to form p-aminoazobenzene. It's a yellow color. So here p-aminoazobenzene, it's a yellow color dye. It's a yellow color dye. Now see here, benzene diazonium chloride treated with aniline and in the presence of weak acid, and to form diazonium benzene. This is the diazonium benzene. Diazonium benzene is liberated. This diazonium benzene again isomerizations with warm. Isomerizations with warm. Finally, my dear students, p-aminoazobenzene is liberated. This is generally yellow color dye. Okay, ma'am? These are the complete chemical properties of diazonium chloride from the category of the replacement reaction 1 and category 2 coupling reaction. Now, actually, my dear students, in amines category and also diazonium category, chemical properties are very, very important. That's why I written here summary of reactions of benzene diazonium chloride. So how many chemical important reactions are there in case of the benzene diazonium chloride? The entire the benzene diazonium chloride I mentioned very clearly in the one place. That's why, my dear students, whenever you will prepare chemical properties of diazonium chloride, this is the best chart now. It's easily to understanding the all kind of the chemical properties of benzene disonium salt. So that's why I separately mentioned the entire the benzene disonium chloride chemical properties. So this title name is Summary of Reactions of C6H5N2Cl. Now, see Nana, benzene diazonium chloride, listen carefully, benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper chloride and HCl on warm heating, hence chlorobenzene is liberated. Chlorobenzene is liberated. Already these all chemical properties already I discussed in my previous classes. Just again revised the all chemical properties in one place. Okay ma? Now again see na, benzene diazonium chloride treated with CuCl and HCl, chlorobenzene is liberated, and similarly instead of copper chloride and HCl, just you use CuBr, copper bromide and HBr, bromobenzene is liberated. These two chemical reactions, most important, these two chemical reactions are commonly known as the Sandmeyer reaction. So most important reaction on a Sandmeyer reaction. What is a Sandmeyer reaction? Chlorobenzene and bromobenzene easily to liberated whenever benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper chloride in the presence of HCl, copper bromide in the presence of HBr. These two chemical reactions are commonly known as Sandmeyer reaction. Now third chemical properties. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with potassium iodide, the warm reaction, hence idobenzene is liberated. Idobenzene is liberated. And fourth one seen benzene diazonium chloride treated with HbF4. HbF4, hence what happened here nana? Now fluorobenzene is liberated. Fluorobenzene is liberated. This fluorobenzene liberated chemical properties name is a Boltzmann reaction. Already discussed this one nana. So Boltzmann reaction, Sandmeyer reaction. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene is liberated na. That chemical reaction name is a Sandmeyer reaction. But fluorobenzene is liberated na. Boltzmann reactions. It's clear ma? Now benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper cyanide and potassium cyanide, hence what happened ma? Here phenyl cyanide is liberated. Phenyl cyanide. This is also considered as a Sandmeyer reaction. So here three Sandmeyer reactions are there. Why it's called Sandmeyer reaction? The Sandmeyer is a scientist. He only discovered this reaction in the laboratory. That's why chlorobenzene discovery and bromobenzene discovery, even phenyl cyanide discovery also by Sandmeyer. That's why these three reactions name is the Sandmeyer reaction. So from benzene diazonium chloride nana, three Sandmeyer reactions is there right now. So one is a chlorobenzene preparation method, second one is a bromobenzene preparation method, third one is a phenyl cyanide preparation method. Now one more chemical reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with the sodium nitrous in the presence of copper oxide and the warm condition, hence nitrobenzene is also liberated. Nitrobenzene is also liberated. This is also important chemical properties. And benzene diazonium chloride treated with water nana, phenol is liberated. This is a C6H5OH. Phenol is liberated. And last and final here in this column, H3POT and ethyl alcohol. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with ethyl alcohol or H3PO2, hence pure benzene is liberated. Pure benzene is liberated. Okay ma? Now see here another examples. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with CuHCl, copper powder and additionally HCl combination. Now what compound is liberated? Chlorobenzene. See, very important my dear students. This chlorobenzene, similarly here copper powder and HBr, this bromobenzene. See in the Sandmeyer reaction, very simple differentiation. In the Sandmeyer reaction, benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper chloride and HCl and copper bromide and HBr, hence chlorobenzene, bromobenzene is liberated. This is called Sandmeyer reaction. And another Getterman-Koch reaction na, benzene diazonium chloride treated with copper powder with HCl. Ipo only copper powder and HCl na, chlorobenzene is liberated. But this reaction name is a Getterman-Koch reaction. And also this reaction name is also Getterman-Koch reaction. chlorobenzene and bromobenzene easily liberated whenever diazonium treated with copper powder and HBr and HCl. This is a Gattermann-Koch reaction. This is a Sandmeyer reaction. See Nana, the major differentiation in between of the Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann-Koch reaction, copper chloride, instead of the copper chloride, here copper powder is there. Instead of copper bromide, here copper powder is there along with HBr. This is the differentiation. Okay Nana? The Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann-Koch reaction. And third one Nana. Benzene diazonium chloride treated with hydrogen and stannum chloride and HCl, phenyl hydrazine is liberated. This is most important Nana. Phenyl hydrazine is liberated. This is another chemical properties of benzene diazonium chloride. And last and final benzene diazonium chloride reaction, last and final from the replacement of the reaction, benzene. Now here benzene diazonium chloride treated with benzene in the presence of sodium hydroxide, finally diphenyl compounds is liberated. This generally name is a Gomberg reaction. Already discussed this one, Gomberg reaction. In the entire the diazonium chloride, three different type of the named reactions are came. Number one is a Sandmeyer reaction. Number two is a Boltzmann reaction. Number four is the Gattermann-Koch reaction, Gomberg reactions. Okay Nana? These are the summary of reactions of benzene diazonium chloride. Whenever you will prepare the diazonium chloride chemical properties, this chart is very helpful to every student. Okay Nana? Now last and final category is a coupling reaction. In this coupling reaction Nana, sera benzene diazonium chloride treated with phenol in the presence of base medium. Now here p-hydroxy azobenzene, its orange color dye is liberated. P-hydroxy azobenzene is liberated. Next second one is benzene diazonium chloride treated with aniline. So now what happened here, para amino azobenzene is liberated. This is generally orange red color dye, orange red color dye, orange red color dye. And third one Nana, third one, benzene diazonium chloride treated with dimethyl aniline. Hence what happened here, para dimethyl amino azobenzene is liberated. This compound name is the para, here NCH3 twice Nana. It's not visible means, that's why I repeated this word. Is a phenyl C6H5, N double bond N, C6H5 is connected with N CH3 twice. This compound name is para dimethyl amino azobenzene, is a butter yellow color dye, And last and final coupling reaction. All coupling reactions are very important. Already I said coupling means completely combinations with benzene diazonium chloride, and benzene diazonium chloride finally treated with beta naphthal. This is a beta naphthal. Finally what product is liberated? Red color dye is liberated. This compound name is phenyl azo beta naphthal is liberated. These are the complete chemical properties of diazonium chloride. My dear students, actually in this academic year CBSE board eliminated this portion, actually diazonium chloride, but NEET point of view and JEE mains and advanced point of view, it's a very important chemical properties. That's why every student compulsory to prepare all chemical properties of diazonium chloride, not only coupling reaction, both of them. So replacement reaction and also coupling reaction. Okay ma? In my next session I will be continue some other synthetic applications of diazonium salt. It's nothing but important conversion. In my next class I will continue the important conversions of diazonium chlorides. Okay ma?